How to fix Jasper keeps repeating himself. Jasper is doing his best to write creatively for you, but sometimes he keeps writing the same thing. Suppose this happens to you, no worries. A few simple tweaks to how you are communicating with Jasper will help him get back on track. Let's walk through what you can do about it. What to do? The good note is that Jasper writes primarily off the inputs you give him. So the easiest way to stop getting repetitive content or even getting your input back verbatim is to change your input, whether that be in the document editor or in a template. The magic of Jasper is that he wants to be the one to add spice to your writing. In most cases, think about your input as how would I explain this topic to a friend. That is how you will want to communicate with Jasper. Typically inputs like, Jasper inputs into template, chlorine, eliminates bacteria, oxides dirt. Jasper command, write about the benefits of using chlorine to clean your pool. Jasper compose button input, pools can easily get dirty. Chlorine is a chemical used to hit compose button here. Documents. Try using the shortcode to help Jasper refocus. This shortcode will give Jasper the prompt to stop reading everything above the asterisk and focus on the sidebar only. If nothing is in the sidebar or it's toggled off, Jasper will have no context. Keep in mind that the content description, the content in the sidebar, should be changed throughout the writing of a document. The sidebar will be Jasper's default to read first. Because the content description guides the content Jasper writes each time you hit compose, Jasper will tend to repeat that information if you do not update the content description box. Try summarizing that brief or turn it off completely. Try feeding Jasper a few sentences of your own to give him some more new content, then hit compose or run a new command. Try highlighting and rewriting a different section of the text, possibly even a smaller section. Templates. Try tweaking your description to be more simple and clear. A good rule of thumb. How would you explain your template description to a friend or colleague? Write that in. Sometimes less is more. You are given 400 to 600 characters, but in many instances, Jasper only needs a little. It's easier for him to optimize or create with 1 to 3 sentences instead of 5 to 6. Try using the product description template to generate a good description of what you want to write about. If you have any more questions or suggestions that have worked for you, chat with us.